Hey guys, Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2020 Ram 1500 Sport, so let's take a look. Front, you are going to have everything all color matched, as well as you have your sport hood. You're going to have your black Ram badging, as well as your park sensors and your fog lights. And then underneath the hood, you're going to have the 5.7 liter HEMI. Side, you do have your 22-inch rims, color matched door handles, and color matched mirrors. This one does have proximity entry as well, as it has the power running boards. And then if we come into the back here, you're going to have your color match bumpers, your park sensors, you're set up for towing with your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver. This one does have your backup camera as well. Soft drop tailgate with a spray and bed liner, and now we're going to go check out the front. You do have your black leather seats, and they are heated and cooled, as well as you have your heated wheel. You do have some storage here in your 2 center consoles. You have a sliding cup holder piece. You're going to have 2 glove boxes up here in the front, as well as you're going to have your 12-inch screen. And this one does come equipped with nav. You also can control your heated, cooled seats and your steering wheel. This one does have flip-in mirrors as well. On your steering wheel, you're going to have your hands-free and your cruise control. You have a full panoramic sunroof on this one, as well as a universal garage door opener. But now we're going to check out the back. There does continue into the back of this one. You do have your armrest that folds out, and it's going to have 2 cup holders. You have some extra storage in your seat pockets here, as well as your 115-volt plug-in with your USBs and your USB-Cs. In the floor, you do have your in-floor storage under the floor mats. Flipping the seats up, you do have lots of storage under here. This piece also flips flat like that for extra storage. If you are interested in this vehicle, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing. And if you're interested in any other vehicle on our lot, you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.